Hey friends, welcome to Monkey Doodle. I'm Mr. L, and today we're going to do Baby Yoda! Yeah! Let's go. What? What, Babi? No, Babi, we're making Baby Yoda, not Baby Yoda. Silly monkey.
Banana Yoda!
Hey everybody, welcome to Monkey Doodle, an exciting episode here on Monkey Doodle, Mr. L. I thought we would do a fun character, a famous character. I like him a lot. Let's do Baby Yoda. All right, let's go. I'm going to set up my paper the long way, and I'm going to start this character from the bottom area and then work up, okay? So, let's begin. I'm going to work over here, and I'm going to make a line go down and another line from here a little bit apart go down as well. It's going to be like, I don't know, maybe 3-4 fingers, few apart. It depends. All right, I'm going to close it at the bottom, kind of like with a little bit of a wavy line. Awesome, right there. And this is for Baby Yoda's outfit. I'm going to put a line that comes in and goes down a little bit this way. And then it goes up like this. And we're going to go back this way. And down and connect it right there, okay? That's for the top part of his cloak. That's his outfit. Now I'm going to go in with a line and bump into this short line. And see how it sticks out a little bit? That's important. I'm going to go up and out slightly. And then I'm going to wrap around and bump into this a little bit. Right about there. So it tucks in a little bit behind that longer shape. All right, now we start to see the outfit. Let's move on to the arms. Baby Yoda has short arms, he's a little guy, so we're going to put a diagonal line that sticks out here and bumps right into that line, all right, the body line. Now we're going to make sort of like a soft, bumpy shape for the outside of that sleeve right there, okay? And that's the bottom of the sleeve of his cloak. Let's do a couple little fingers here to stick out. 1, 2, and 3. And I know he has like short little claws, so we could kind of try to do that if you can, little triangles that stick out. Maybe it's a little scary we did it, but that's okay. And I'll put this one that maybe kind of sticks out a little bit more over here. And let's see, I'm going to put that line, bumpy line that bumps into the cloak, comes back out, and I'll put a couple of his short fingers here too. Okay, and let me get the other Sharpie real quick. That'll make it easier for a second. You can put a little fingernails there. This one's a little on the sharp side. Be careful, Baby Yoda is going to get you. Ah! A little bit of my corniness there. You have to do that on Monkey Doodle because we always do silly things. And Babi loves that stuff anyway. He lives off the silliness. All right, now let's get on to other parts. We're doing great. Now in the middle here, let's do a line that comes down here and a line that comes down about there. That's maybe a tiny bit wider. No big deal. Let's keep it simple. So we have his outfit about ready to go. We need a head. We can't have Baby Yoda with no head. All right, so let us do this. We're going to start up here with a curve. Watch, right about here. Big curve. Okay. All right, make it nice and wide. Should be about almost even with these parts of his cloak here. And now I'm going to come out with the ears, okay? Baby Yoda has cute long ears. Out and then down, okay? So ready, let's go out. All right, and then down. So one might be a little bit longer than the other. That's okay. You know, he's always moving his ears around when he reacts to different things in the show, and that's all good. Now, he has chubby cheeks, so from here, I'm going to go out slightly and then back in, watch. Out slightly and then back in, and bump into that. And same thing, out slightly and then back in. So that ended up being short, might be different for you. And that encloses the whole shape, right? All right, awesome. Now before we do his eyes and nose and mouth, we're going to do the inside of the ear. And the shape is going to be very similar to the outside ear, the way it follows it. See? Just like that. Very similar to the outside, but smaller inside. Same thing for here. All right, and close it. Looking good, Baby Yoda. All right. Notice his head is pretty large compared to his body. That's good. All right. Yeah. Let's get on to the eyes. All right, the eyes are going to be big. Baby, big Yoda eyes. So, the eyes are going to be right here, pretty much in the middle, okay? So I'm going to make the nose first because it'll help me kind of figure out where the eyes are. So the nose is going to be right about here. It's going to be a little shape, like a U shape. Okay, there you go. Little U shape, upside down U. And now the eyes are going to go up from there. I think I'm going to start about here. And go back down. Okay. So it's pretty big, comes close to the edge of the ear. All right. So anything like this is good. I'm going to make a highlight over here. Put another highlight over here if you like, a little shape. And same thing over here. All right. And I'm going to put a highlight over here and a highlight over here. So it looks a little weird right now until we color it, okay? I'm going to just shape it up a little bit with my smaller Sharpie. A little bit wider over here, okay? Just to clean it up a bit. All right, and right about here. Sometimes we have to clean it up. All right, let's fill this part in quickly. Kind of looks better if we do it now, all right? Later when we do a hyperspeed color, we will make it a lot faster. That's what hyperspeed is all about. I'll add a little bit right there too. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Make it a little bit cuter looking. And we kind of make it bigger, right? All right, maybe we'll add a little bit here too. So you decide what you want to add in terms of the eye. Okay, moving on, Baby Yoda, he's coming.
Force! Force!
He's going to use the force on me. He's going to use the force on Baby. I think I feel it. All right, there he is. Here's our friend. Now, this guy's going to get a lot happier. We're going to make him smile, all right? Going to smile right here. Okay, and we're going to put a little chubby line there and here. And that really, you know, makes him a lot happier and cuter, and I like that a lot better already. Okay. Now, moving on, we are going to get to the bottom part. All right, and if you want to do a little line right there for the nose or a little one there, you could. Not a big deal, just a tiny detail. All right, we're going to get silly now. Babi, do you think this is silly enough? Babi, what do you want to see? Oh, Babi wants to see those bananas. Okay, let's do a silly banana here. Imagine he's floating on a banana, not in his little round toy thing. That would be wild. Let's do that. We're going to make a banana right here because on Monkey Doodle, we have to be different and we have to be silly. That's the important part of our show. So I'm going to make a line, go from here, right underneath the hand to here. And I'm going to come out on this side and curve a little bit. Now I'm going to make a little rectangle right here on the end. See that? Little rectangle. Now I'm going to go from this corner all the way around. Look at that. All the way down and then curve a little bit. I'm going to go up and up with two lines. Going to make a rectangle right there. You can fill it in if you want. Okay. And then, it's a little complicated. I'm going to make this corner, the line go right to the bottom. And from this little corner of the rectangle box there, little corner there, so I made a rectangle on each end, remember that, sticking out, sort of slanted. Might be a little challenging for some of you, but rock it out. Use the force, you can do it. Little rectangle, and from that corner, go down, curve, to the bottom. Baby Yoda is floating on a magic force banana. We really should do that. We should write to them and say, hey, make this dude float on a force banana and do the right thing. Be silly. All right, awesome. So let's hyperspace color. Woohoo! Force on that ball, so cool.